If you've needed to be tested for COVID lately, you probably already know the appointments are hard to come by.
And that's because testing sites are seeing a spike. Hannah Brandt joins us now live to explain what's behind all of this. Hannah.
Alicia, Valerie, there are open appointments, but often they're days away and they take some time to find. Hamilton Health Center does testing for 3 hours every Tuesday. That's 75 slots. And today, when we went to talk with them about testing demand, they were completely booked.
It's gonna be real quick, okay? It's gonna go right here. 1, 2, 3,
Nathaniel
4.
Williams is no stranger to swabbing.
So do you want me to do the test for you, or do you want to do it yourself?
And he's had to do a lot more of it lately. Manager Kimberly Craig tells me her whole team is busier with testing.
All of a sudden, the end of August, as soon as the kids went back, we started getting all these phone calls.
It was parents who needed tests for their kids.
So she can go back to school.
Williams gets it,
Me being a parent myself, that is a big concern.
both as a tester and a dad.
Of course, you get that notification, hey, there's been a positive or there's been a negative in school, so now I gotta get you get tested. So luckily, I do testing, so I can call. I know where I can call to get him in.
And he's more than happy to help other parents find appointments too,
Can I get your paperwork, please?
even if some have a wait because of that increased demand.
I was trained to she gets sooner, but I know it takes a while.
The kids may not be so thrilled to be here,
Every time I do it, it hurts a little bit.
but even they understand testing is important.
So if I don't have COVID, I can come back to school and learn. And I don't gotta, stay in the house all the time.
It's not just kids driving the testing spike, though.
Now, it will take 3 to 5 days for the results to come back.
Craig says they're also seeing a lot of people who need tests to travel and more breakthrough cases.
The spots are filling up quickly because their risk of exposure is increased.
But it hasn't reached a point where they plan to open up more appointments just yet.
It's reached the demand, but not to the peak where we feel like we need to open more slots at this time.
For now, they're doing what they can
Thank you for coming to Hamilton Health Center.
to test as many people as they can fit into their schedule.
We make it happen. We just do, That's what we do.
Now, if you're symptomatic, Craig says you should not wait for an open appointment. You should go to an urgent care or somewhere that they can get you in right away. But if you're asymptomatic and you need a test for travel or for work, you should plan ahead. We have information on how to schedule a test at Hamilton Health Center on our website. Live in the studio, Hannah Brandt, ABC 27 News.